I just came back from a very tiring exercise. I've been back and forth, looking at my WhatsApp, looking at my Facebook, looking at my Instagram, and I've been so tired now. Smartphone addiction is one of the biggest issues, but not really pronounced as an issue or as an illness yet, but to me is a big issue. I'm also one of those who have been addicted to my smartphone. How can we get away? How can we get unplugged from our smartphone? The first way is simply to switch it off. Yes, switch off the whole smartphone or your tablet and put it aside. Switching it off, you can even go on airplane mode. That's the best tip actually. Airplane mode will actually get your mind off that device, off your smartphone. Even though it's still within sight, but you know that it's off. There won't be any announcement or reminders or sounds or messages, even though there is, you wouldn't know about it. Until you decide that, okay, now I'm free, now I want to check my messages. It's okay, now you are in control of your smartphone. The second way is to do something else. For example, instead of chatting or checking messages or stalking someone on Facebook, read a book, enrich your mind, enrich your knowledge. Or go for a run, get fitter, or actually watch a drama, watch an episode of a drama. It's better than getting addicted to your mobile device. And the third way, which is actually more advanced, is to be more mindful. I've been starting to meditate for 30 days, 20 minutes a day, and I'm surprised that it has been really helpful for me to be aware of my behavior and my emotions. A lot of our behaviors are actually governed by our emotions, just like being addicted to something, a smartphone. Why are we constantly wanting to check? Because we feel good each time there's something that is written about us, or there's somebody who wants to talk to us, or there's somebody who forwarded a video or a message to us, or there's somebody who tagged us on social media. We feel good. This is the endorphin that we want to feel each and every time. That's why we constantly go back to look for that good feeling. This is our emotion, and our emotion governs our actions. Over time, it makes us addicted to the smartphone. So the third way is to be more aware, more mindful. There you go, 3 ways that you can try to get unplugged from your smartphone. The best way to me is just to switch off your phone.